Hi, it's Carrie from Garden Rudiments. Out on my back porch today to talk to you about my Thanksgiving cactus. This is a Strombergera truncata. It is a Thanksgiving cactus, not a Christmas cactus. And what I wanted to talk to you today is how to force it to bloom. This is not about the care of, what are you going to do with it all year and hopefully you'll get your blooms. I hope you're already giving it bright indirect light and you're giving it adequate water. I can't tell you how much water because my climate is different than yours. It's very humid where I live, so it takes less water for mine. You may need a lot more water for yours if you're in a drier climate. These take more than your average succulent and cactus. Think of more of your average houseplant instead of your succulents. So I have given it bright indirect light all summer. It's been on my back porch, giving it plenty of water. And then now I'm going to force it to bloom. So I'm going to put it in my garage so that it gets less light. When I say less light, I'm going to give it 12 to 16 hours of darkness a day. And the only place I have here at my home is to put it in my garage. The next thing I have to do is to give it lower temperatures. So we need temperatures between 55 and 65 degrees Fahrenheit in order to force this to put on buds. It's going to be very hard for me. We've been in 90-degree weather up until last week. So again, I'm going to try to put it in my garage. I'll put it outside for 8 hours a day, and then the rest of the time it's going to be in the garage. So I'm hoping that the temperatures will stay low. Right now it is. It's very overcast. We've had rain. We're supposed to have rain tomorrow and a cooler spell. I know it's going to warm up some, but I'm hoping the garage will stay cool enough that I get low enough temperatures that it will force the blooms. I'm not worried about when this blooms. It would be nice if it bloomed, by Thanksgiving. I'm just hoping it does bloom. The only thing I think that, I could have done differently is repotted this a lot sooner than I did. It didn't need repotting up until recently, so I went ahead before cold weather set in and got it into a different pot, but that might actually keep it from blooming, so we'll see. I'm just wanting it to bloom, and I think I've met all the requirements now except for the cooler temperatures and lower light. So that's where I'm going now, is to put it in the garage, and that's where it's going to stay overnight. I'll bring it out in the morning, leave it for 8 hours, then it'll go back in the garage and have no light, and it'll have cooler temperatures. So let's see how we do. I hope you'll watch this video to the end. I hope you'll like it, and I hope you'll subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time on Garden Rudiments.